You know what they say, okay? I don't cook, I don't clean, but hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hapra. Guys, thanks again for coming back for another video. And today I bring you a sit down video. Oh my god, you guys, I have a new chair. I'm sorry, the excitement is real. Anyways, if you're new here, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. Your girl is out here, 1,000 subscribers loading. Okay, I'm excited. Anyways, I don't want to talk too much, so let's dive in the video already. Okay, so guys, today I wanted to give you all the tips, all my secrets, you know, like let me tell you, okay, I was the girl who never grew long nails, okay, because every time my nails grew like just a little bit, they break. And then I started doing gel still, like literally like a week or two, my nails were like, the gel is like, bye girl, we're not staying here. Okay, so I was like, oh my god, what should I do? Like, it was so like exhausting, you know. I don't even bite my nails, first of all, so I was so mad, like my nails never grow long, and I'm always envying other people, like, how do you grow your nails? But guess what, your girl's nails, look at them, look at me guys. These are my nails, okay? Get into it, okay? Look at that. Anyways, I know, guys, look, pretty long. I know. Also the gel and all that, I even made a poll and asked, like, most of you actually thought these are like acrylics, but no, these are my nails, girl. So I was like, you know what, I need to give you guys, I need to like give you the tips that I've been like sitting on. I shared before and I told you guys, like, I actually take my vitamins seriously, and I've been using this Wellwoman Max vitamins for like some time now. I made a video about this. If you're new here, guys, I'm gonna link it above. And guys, these vitamins is literally the main thing I've changed in my lifestyle. I take these, and girl, look at me now, look at me. Yeah, they have these, and then these are really good. This is a new pack that I'm gonna start, so I was like, you know what, I might as well share. Okay, so guys, get into it. Take your vitamins. Let me open this, guys. Also, you can get this on Amazon. I'm gonna link them below. And okay, look at that, look at this, guys. Two of this, two of this, two of that, and they're really affordable. Okay, and if you live in the UK, you know there's a drugstore nani vitamins. So guys, and everything is in English, so get into it. Okay, and also I don't want my guy friends to say, Hapra, what about the men? The men, I got you too. Okay, the men, they have the Wellman Plus, so you can use this too for men, and it has like that, okay, that, so you can use they have more. It's just like my friend literally took almost all of it. So guys, get into it. Anyways, my other tip that I use, guys, you know what, if you live in Japan, you know the struggle. We don't have like dishwashers in every apartment and everything. And besides, I'm an African girl, we don't grow up with this kind of stuff. Okay, so we used to like doing our dishes in Africa. We even like wash our clothes and everything. So because this Japan is spoiling us, it's like literally like, I don't know. But guys, washing your dishes, you know what I do these days? I put on the gloves, yo. I have to put on gloves because I'm not about to, like, you know, I spend a lot of money on these nails. So yeah, so I put on gloves when I'm washing my dishes, and most times basically when I'm in water, besides of course when I'm like showering or like washing my face. But when I'm in the sink in the kitchen, your girl is always like gloves on. Okay, of course when I'm cooking I don't have them on, but when I'm in the sink doing dishes, for sure you need to have those gloves on. Okay, also guys, so when you're doing, if you're like me who likes to do your gel nails, every time I do my gel nails, I ask the lady, whoever is doing them, the nailist, to put, they have like a primer kind of thing where like it actually helps your nails last longer, like your gel lasts longer. So you ask for it, and sometimes they don't put it on for you if you don't ask for it. So try to ask for that, and girl, your nails are gonna last so long. You know what the funny thing is, that I've had these nails for like, I had them like, I think August, guys, let me check. Yeah, I got this like August, about like August 20th, like the last time. This was in August, guys. We're in October, yo, so this is like more than a month, guys. This is like 6-7 weeks now of having these nails. I know, guys, it's really disgusting, I know, tell me about it, but I was just really excited, and I wanted to see like how long these nails are actually going to go. So I've seen like my vitamins are working, my tricks are working, so I was like, you know what, now time to share it, okay? Sharing is caring, okay? And if you guys try if guys you try out any of these tricks, I know, like, I'm so late, I've seen people like doing stuff like with their gloves, and I'm like, how do you do that? That's so uncomfortable, guys. For my nails and for this beauty, I'm willing to try anything. You know what they say, okay? I don't cook, I don't clean, but but yo, I don't have the ring, but at least I will cook and I'll try to clean, but those gloves will stay on, okay? Anyway, guys, I wanted to make this video very short and just to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications, okay? Comment below for all your tricks of how you grow your nails, because I'm really late to the party and I already have my appointment on Friday. I'm gonna go change these nails and I'm excited, guys. Anyways, follow me on Instagram, Harriet Hapra, for all the updates, and I'm gonna link all these vitamins below. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them on the website, and I will link both below in the description box. So yeah, you're welcome. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.